Today I'm gonna talk about how powerful ISRO rocket is. Before we start it, press the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. I'm dividing the ISRO rocket into three categories. First one is ISRO past rocket like SLV and ASLV. Second one ISRO present rocket like PSLV, GSLV Mark II and GSLV Mark III. And third one is ISRO future rockets like RLV and scramjet engine rockets. Let's talk about SLV or satellite launch vehicle. It is 4-stage rocket. In all stages it uses solid propulsion. Its payload capacity is around 40 kg in low Earth orbit. The altitude of low Earth orbit is around 200 to 2000 km from the Earth's surface. SLV first successfully launched on 18 July 1980 from the Sriharikota. The famous payload of SLV are Rooney satellites. Now talk about ASLV or Augmented Satellite Launch Vehicle. Unlike ASLV, ASLV is a 5-stage rocket with all solid propulsion. ASLV payload capacity is around 150 kg, or 3 times of SLV in low Earth orbit. Its first successfully launched on 20 May 1992. The famous payload of ASLV are SCROS, Scratch Rooney Satellite. Now we move on PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. It is also a 4-stage rocket, but it uses solid as well as liquid propulsion. Stage 1 and 3 uses solid propulsion and stage 2 and 4 uses liquid propulsion. Its payload capacity is around 1800 kg in sun-synchronous orbit or polar orbit, which is 100 to 1000 km from the Earth's surface. It first successfully launched on 15 October 1994. Its famous payload are IRS, Indian Remote Sensing Satellite, Chandrayaan-1 and Mars Orbital Mission. Now we move on GSLV rockets. GSLV basically two types, GSLV Mark II and GSLV Mark III. A GSLV Mark II is a 3-stage rocket. It uses solid, liquid and cryogenic propulsion. It is Indian first cryogenic engine rocket. Cryogenic engine uses cryogenic fuel and oxidizer as a propulsion. Both are gaseous liquefied stored at very low temperature. Space agencies like US NASA, Russia Roscosmos, Japan JAXA and China CNSA and European Space Agency are only space agencies which are capable of making cryogenic engine. Its famous payload capacity is 22,000 kg in geosynchronous orbit, which is around 35 km from the Earth's surface. Its first successfully launched on 18 April 2001. GSAT-1, GSAT-2, GSAT-6 and GSAT-9 are the famous payload of GSLV Mark II. Now we are gonna talk about India's strongest rocket or Bahubali of India, GSLV Mark III. Like GSLV Mark II, Mark III is also a 3-stage rocket which uses solid, liquid and cryogenic propulsion. It is ISRO's most powerful rocket yet. In first stage, it uses two S-200 solid rocket booster. In second stage, it uses L110 liquid powered 2 Vikas engine. In third stage, it uses C-25 cryogenic engine. Its payload mass capacity is around 4000 kg in geosynchronous orbit and 10,000 kg in low Earth orbit. GSLV first successfully launched on 18 December 2014. GSAT-90, GSAT-20 and Chandrayaan-2 are the famous payload of GSLV Mark III. In the next video, we will talk about ISRO future rockets.